Hi, good morning.
Hi, hello, good morning to mom.
How are you today?
I'm fine, mom.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I worked before in the Philippines as a sales lady of 2 years now.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
First, mom, smile to the customer, greet them, assist them, offer them what goods you are selling, like that.
And after working being a sales lady, do you have any working experience?
Else to work as a maid in the Philippines,
For how many years?
2 years also, mom.
What is the nationality of your employer?
A Philippine couple, mom.
How many members in the family?
4 members, mom.
How old are your children?
First is 4 and the second is 2 years.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities being a housemaid?
Being a housing mom and doing household chores as a cleaning,
And why you decided not to renew your contract?
this time I decided to try to go to abroad and make an opportunity mom.
How much salary are you looking for?
Mom, if it's okay, one time mom.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Babysitting mom.
What type of food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn to cook.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
If she or he is crying continuously and he he feels if, if he's hot or she is hot.
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
I will immediately tell my employer, mom.
What are your hobbies?
Mom, if I have a free time, I read books, mom. And
What is your favorite books to read?
Filipino books, like pocket books, mom.
Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
Depends on my employer if they will hire me up to 2 years, like that, mom.
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
Yes,
Why?
because even though I'm a newcomer, I'm willing to do all the tasks, willing to learn how to clean, how to cook.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.